The VinFast VF MPV 7 arrives in the Philippines as a bold statement in the electric vehicle space. Designed to be more than just a people mover, it's a 7-seater that blends futuristic technology with everyday practicality. With its aerodynamic silhouette, spacious cabin, and whisper-quiet electric drive, the VF MPV 7 redefines what Filipino families can expect from a modern MPV. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing so sustainably, comfortably, and with a touch of sophistication that sets it apart from traditional gasoline-powered rivals. Exterior and dimensions. The VinFast VF MPV 7 measures 4,740 mm long, 1,872 mm wide, and 1,723 mm tall, putting it firmly in the midsize MPV category. Its sleek 19-inch aero wheels give it a refined stance, while the 185 mm ground clearance and 300 mm water weighting capability make it suitable for Philippine roads and weather. The design balances SUV-like strength with MPV practicality, appealing to families who want both style and utility. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, the VF MPV 7 packs a front-mounted electric motor producing 201 horsepower and 280 Nm of torque. Unlike diesel rivals, torque delivery is instant, making overtaking effortless even with a full cabin. It uses a 60.13 kWh LFP battery, delivering up to 450 km of range, NEDC. Charging is flexible, home AC charging at 7.4 kW or DC fast charging from 10 to 70% in just 30 minutes. Driving modes include Eco, Normal, and Sport, plus regenerative braking for efficiency. Interior and comfort. The cabin is where the VF MPV 7 shines. It features a premium two-tone brown and black interior, leather upholstery, and a 12.9-inch infotainment display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The second row offers a 60:40 split with sliding function, while the third row folds 50:50, giving up to 1,240 liters of cargo space. Rear passengers benefit from dedicated air vents and USB ports, making long trips more comfortable. Technology and safety. Instead of a traditional instrument cluster, the VF MPV 7 uses a 10.1-inch central touchscreen that consolidates speed, navigation, climate, and media. It supports Bluetooth, FM radio, and remote diagnostics. Safety features include cruise control, rear-view camera, and parking assist, plus 24 smart functions for convenience. VinFast also includes lean-sensitive ABS and traction control, ensuring stability on winding provincial roads. Rev those engines, gearheads. If you love motorcycles and cars, buckle up and hit that subscribe button, and join our community. Thanks for tuning in. Price and ownership perks. The VinFast VF MPV 7 is offered in 2 ownership models, 1,239,000 Cuban pesos with a battery subscription or 1,518,000 Cuban pesos with the battery included outright. This flexible pricing strategy allows families to choose between lower upfront costs or long-term stability, making EV ownership more accessible. Beyond the price, VinFast adds value with free charging at VinFast stations until 2029, a perk that significantly reduces running costs and makes long-distance travel more affordable. The vehicle also comes with a 7-year warranty for the car and a 10-year warranty for the battery, addressing concerns about durability and giving owners peace of mind. To further secure the investment, VinFast offers a residual value guarantee, ensuring predictable resale when it's time to upgrade. Combined with the brand's rapid expansion, already the #1 BEV seller in the Philippines in Q1 2026 and aiming for 50 dealerships nationwide, owners can expect reliable service and strong support across the country. Final thoughts. The VinFast VF MPV 7 is more than just a new EV, it's a family-focused revolution. With SUV-like power, flexible seating, premium interiors, and unbeatable ownership perks, it positions itself as the sweet spot for Filipino families who want to embrace electrified mobility without sacrificing practicality. So there you have it, the VinFast VF MPV 7, a family-sized EV that proves you don't need to burn fuel to burn rubber. It's spacious, smart, and stacked with perks that make ownership feel less like a gamble and more like a guaranteed win. Whether you're hauling kids, groceries, or just your dreams of going green, this MPV is ready to roll. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't just sit there like a parked car. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more reviews that mix horsepower with humor. And drop a comment, would you take the battery subscription route, or go all in with the full purchase? Let's see which camp wins in the comment section. Until next time, keep your wheels turning, your batteries charged, and remember, life's too short for boring rides.